5 danger zones for distractible students and how teachers can help. Your child gets lost in classroom discussions. She complains that school is boring. Her notes are erratic and her assignments are riddled with errors. Use tested accommodations to address these common school problems. 1. Zones out during lectures. Assign a note-taking buddy to share information and fill in gaps. Teach students to quickly jot down a distracting thought to put it to rest and then get back on track. Create a private signal, like a tap on the shoulder, that cues a student to stay on task. 2. Fails to see the point of dull lessons. Regain students' wandering attention with a clear verbal reminder like 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Play a chord on a keyboard or ring a bell before important points. Offer an immediate reward, like a sticker on a chart, when your student is engaged. 3. Distracts easily. Seat your student front and center, close to the teacher's desk and away from distractions. Allow your student to wear soundproof headphones during independent work or tests. 4. Turns in work with careless mistakes. Schedule 5 minutes to check work at the end of every test and study hall before handing it in. Allow students to answer each question in a different colored pen to keep things interesting. 5. Loses focus during long assignments. Encourage students to stand up and get the wiggles out during short scheduled breaks. Let students use a silent fidget toy, like a clay ball, during long projects.